is it going, my friends? Are you ready for a hot Irish dish? I'm so excited to show you how to cook a vegan delicious stew. Irish food is unique in its use of local ingredients, traditional recipes, and hearty flavors. Popular dishes often feature fresh fish or seafood, potatoes, and seasonal vegetables. Irish cuisine is also known for incorporating butter, cream, and herbs to create rich and comforting dishes. In this case, this is a hearty, comforting dish that is very easy to make. It's packed with potatoes, carrots, celery, flavorful herbs, and seasonings. It's also a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly meal. Plus, the leftovers are amazing. For this recipe, the only equipment you will need is a large cast iron or non-stick skillet. The ingredients are the following: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1½ cup of seitan chunks, 1 large yellow onion chopped, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 ribs celery chopped, 1 carrot chopped, 1 pound of portobello mushrooms, about 18 small whole mushrooms, 1/4 of a cup of tomato paste, 1 dark stout beer, 12-14 Oz can or bottle, 3 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth, 15 small potatoes, 2 bay leaves, 4 sprigs of fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce. I like Annie's Naturals organic Worcestershire, 1/2 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or arrowroot powder, 1 tablespoon of water to make a thickening slurry, and fresh parsley for garnish. Once you have all that, let's get ready to cook. First, heat a large cast iron or non-stick skillet over medium and add the seitan chunks when hot. Add olive oil and onions. Then, soften the onions in a few tablespoons of broth. Add the chopped celery and the carrot and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After that, add minced garlic and stir. Then, clean the mushrooms and cut them in half. Add the mushrooms to the pot and simmer until slightly reduced in size. Stir well in tomato paste and add the beer. Then simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the broth and potatoes that have been cut in half. Add all seasonings and bring to a slow boil. Test to taste and reduce heat and cover. Later, add the mix of cornstarch and water and stir into the stew to thicken. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes or until potatoes are cooked through. Finally, turn off the heat, garnish with fresh parsley if desired, and serve warm. You can make Irish stew even as an amateur cook. Start with the basics, and don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and seasonings. With some patience and practice, you can create a delicious dish that your family and friends will love. To watch more videos like this, go visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.